Rainy days, in my opinion, are made to be stayed in with a warm mug of coffee, watching Gilmore Girls, or reading a book. Waking up to gloomy skies and barely any sun can throw you off your routine and make you feel unproductive and lazy. In this video, I'm going to show you my rainy day college morning routine and a few days in my life where I cope with grey skies and the end of summer.
Free falling, let the earth decide to fade. Say nothing.
It is currently 6:33 a.m. I do not want to wake up. I hate waking up in this weather so much. I found this new band called 49th and Main and I'm so obsessed with this. I've made this new playlist. It's especially for my mornings. You guys should check it out. I've linked it down in the description.
Yeah, I've been there before, it's evil. Make the same mistakes, just leave.
The first thing that I do after waking up is obviously brush my teeth. I'm just using this electric toothbrush that I got as a PR package and I've been using it lately. For my face wash, I've been using this oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena. I swear by this, I've been using this for years. Good morning guys, I am at the gym. The gym is surprisingly empty. We're gonna work out, we're gonna get our morning workout in.
I've been inside trying to get these dollars. Trying to make more money than life makes problems.
I'm gonna do 12:30, but I modify it so it's kind of like 15, 4, 30. I mean, you break our sweat and you don't have to run, which I hate running, so.
Wow, you're crazy, girl.
Bitch don't need no practice. Take over the atlas. I just need that traction. Then I break her back, hold her. She a cactus, clubbing with her bad friends. Don't want no smoke, she gon' smoke to the max, bitch. Just, I just walked in. Motherfucker step back, James Harden. You don't want this.
I like coming at this hour because there are like no people. We're getting fit up, we're working on abs, we're trying. Also, I'm sure you guys have seen this workout set on my Instagram. Oh my god, it is such good quality and I love the way it just fits. And it's from Urbanic, by the way. I'll link it down below. What are you doing? After the gym, I hop into a quick shower and I'm just having some warm lemon water, which is really good for you in the mornings. And as usual, I have no time and I'm already late, so I'm just gonna get a quick breakfast. I prefer to eat in college because I have a really nice cafeteria. Hi, I'm out of my shower. I'm gonna get ready very quickly. My college makeup routine is very simple and it's very basic. It's basically like 5 dots of foundation, like primer, moisturizer, sunscreen, very important. The first thing that I'm gonna go in with is this green tea balancing skin toner by Innisfree. If you watch my previous vlogs, you would know that I swear by this. Like literally, it gives you like an instant glow. The next thing is I just take like a little bit of aloe gel, rub that in. You're like feeding your skin something healthy in the morning after you're gonna put all that toxic shit on it. The next step, which is really important, is sunscreen. This is just SPF 50 by Quench Botanics, which is a Korean skincare brand. I swear by the sunscreen. It's so lightweight and it doesn't make you feel like icky and sticky in this Bombay weather. Okay, next I'm just gonna go in with primer, a little bit of concealer, set it with powder, a little bit of blush, lipstick, and I'll do my brows. And that is basically my very quick routine. I've shown you guys this a million times before, so we're just quickly gonna rush through that. And that is basically it for my really natural, really quick makeup look in the morning. Now we're gonna quickly move on to our outfit. This is my outfit for today. This white ribbed crop top is from H&M. This baby pink sweatshirt is from Forever 21 and these ripped jeans, boyfriend jeans, are from Zara. I have my cute little tumbler. I love my nails. Like, look at them. I don't know if you can see them, but they're just grey and this tinted shade of blue. I don't know if you can tell.
she sees us. You and me is the worst combination in this college because everyone just hates us. Students and teachers. Where do I look? My world is ending with the student lecture starting. I'm very depressed. We wanna eat since so long. And we're discussing like college gossip. College gossip is not that interesting because we don't know anyone.
I am currently reading Twisted Love by Anna Huang. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. Oh my god, I saw this went viral on like Twitter and TikTok. It's like a 4-part series. I got 3 of them in like a set. I just started reading it, and I mean the writing is not that great, but the plot line, oh my god, like I'm a sucker for the bad boy billionaire fanfic. Oh my, don't ask, but like oh my god, it's hey. She's draping, which I don't know how to do at all whatsoever. My friends have come to pick me up. Look. That's cute. I look like a homeless person, and I'm gonna go to food like this now from college. I love everything there. I think it's the best Asian place.
Dumplings.
Yeah, everything. So good. We have our honey and spice baby potatoes, and that's just lotus stem salad, corn and asparagus dumpling.
Unamaki tempura sushi.
Yeah, that, whatever that is. Telling us her life problems, and Rahil is giving her advice.
I'm just giving her advice that is going to make her a loner.
Why do you have a social life? You should stay at home, have no friends.
Be like me.
Rahil, how is your love life?
My love life.
Girls, hit him up. No, don't actually. It's fine.
Don't,
no, it's
please
okay. We got pizza, and we've also ordered like momos. They're coming. Look how cute that is. I mean, Rahil thinks it looks sad.
Have you ever seen a fresh pizza?
Yeah.
This
This
looks like a fresh pizza.
dead pizza.
No! Everything does not depend on looks, Rahil. Maybe she has personality.
I don't care, honestly.
Look, we're watching Gilmore Girls. Hi guys, Rahil is driving us to our mid-destination where someone else will pick us up, and then we're gonna go clubbing.
Yeah, you took 20 minutes to wear shoes, bro.
Yeah, we took 20 minutes to wear shoes because nothing was fitting Prachi and the lift was stopping on every floor.
What the f is wrong with this guy?
Traffic.
Ani
guys.
bhencho thok de, aaja mere gaadi mein.
All these chains, rest in peace to Harry Tubman.
We're here. We're at Union. We were late.
Free falling, let the air decide your fate. See
Hi you guys, it's currently 10 p.m. and we're at class. They're annoyed, they don't want to be here with us. Look at them. Are we not we're just friends? What are you saying? So we got these mushroom poppers. They look really good. I'm actually excited to try this. Look at that freaking disco ball. It's so cute.
Excuse me, you have a mocktail with a bubble?
We got this veg cheddar cheeseburger. Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. Dan, how are we feeling?
I feel like a lot of things have happened tonight. जो नहीं होना चाहिए था, a lot of secrets have come out. I feel this dinner was a little bit off the track.
There was a secret reveal session that I was missing.
You weren't missing actually. You were the one who was telling